Let us talk about learning rate eta in the gradient descent. Learning rate determines how much the model updates its parameters in response to the error at each step. So the gradient descent equation is theta nu is equal to theta old minus eta multiplied by the partial derivative of loss function with respect to theta. Now eta is the step size, which means how much we need to move forward or backward, and derivative of loss function with respect to theta is the direction in which we need to move. This overall tells us how much we need to move and in which direction. Now there are two scenarios that are shown here. First is when the learning rate is big. In the first case, when the learning rate is too big, then the model jumps too much and it never settles. So we never reach the global minima. In the second case, the model updates very little at each step. It learns, but it learns very slowly, and it may take forever to converge this model. So in this case, where we are choosing learning rate to be too big, the model overshoots the optimal weights and it results in instability. A high learning rate would be such as that of 10. And in the second scenario, where the learning rate is too small, our model converges slowly and it requires more epochs. This leads to inefficient resource utilization, and a small eta could be something like 0.00001 being used as a learning rate. I am a big foodie, and let me give you an analogy with respect to cooking. Imagine choosing learning rate as choosing how much salt you need to put while you're cooking a dish. If you add small amount of salt, you will get the right amount, but it will take too much time. This is what happens when we use learning rate, when we use small number as a learning rate. However, if you choose a big spoonful of salt to add each time you want to add salt to the dish, then you might be putting too much of the salt in the dish and dish might not turn out perfect. This is the case when you choose big number for learning rate. So ideally, you need to be putting just right amount of salt so that the dish turns out perfect. This is what you need to do for learning rate as well. You need to experiment with a few values and then decide which learning rate is best suited in your scenario.